Welcome, this is Webby Trade. Happy Tuesday. This is market recap. We're going to go ahead and talk about QQQ, SPY, and Nvda. This is what I watched today during the market open. So without wasting time, this is not financial advice. You already know this is me showing exactly what I learn in the market and do your diligent research. Okay. So let's go ahead and talk about QQQ. All right, guys. So just give me a second. Okay, so QQQ. The fund trade this morning at from 7:23 all the way to 7:15. So I did have a demand draw at this level right here, 7:16. By the moment it actually passed this demand, went all the way to 7:15. So at this level the market retraced, and now we are at 7:19 overnight. So my thought process, we could continue all the way to 7:20, probably see you 7:23 if we don't reject this level of 7:19, probably overnight. We could see a 7:23 tomorrow. Okay. Now, if we reject, then we could see a 7:18 or probably even see a 7:17. Now, this is market recap from now until this present moment. Anything can happen from now until tomorrow morning. So we have a range from 7:23, 7:22, between 7:19 until 7:23. So that's why I have those range, okay? Because we have an overnight of 7:19.20 right now. So the market can range between these two prices, okay? So we need to see exactly where the market can go at this present moment. Now, as I was watching this QQQ, I also went ahead and look at Nvda at the same time. So Nvda, I'm gonna move the web and okay. So Nvda open around the 221 and also trade bearish all the way to 216.46, and now have gapped up all the way overnight to 217. So my thought process is we could move all the way up to this 218. It does have a, we do have let's see, supply all the way here. Okay, so this range here, it has to pass this range here. So supply demand, so we have this supply here, like we need to pass this range here and to gap up. Okay, so if we don't, then we may be rejecting here and still see a 216 or probably see around the 216 level, probably go back to a 216 level. But in case we pass this level, we can actually see around the 220 level. Okay, so this is my analysis on Nvda. Now let's say we are overnight, like I said, these levels and this range can always change because we're on overnight, right? Tomorrow we can wake up with different type of level. That's why it is the market, right? I always say it does whatever you want, okay? So news can change, anything can change. Um, Acquisition can happen, new CEO, new product analysis, change of CEO, whatever can happen here, or gapped up, or however this market decide to happen, okay? This level can be affected um, by any gap dot. This level can be affected by news. We are just on overnight, okay, analysis here. Okay, now I also looked at SPY, but XPY was not um, my favorite today. So I'm only going to give you just an assumption on SPY. So you shouldn't really um, take my word on SPY. I think it wasn't really a strong analysis on that. I just thought the stock was just probably, for me, the stock may just be bearish. I don't see exactly, I don't think we will go above 770. We have seen 776 all the way to 769. For me, um, we are at 770 now. A little bit of demand here. So if we break lower than 779, we may see 777, and if we break lower than that, I think we may see up to 773 level, and that's my level for SPY. Anything lower than that, we may see probably 770, but I don't think we may see that lower, probably maybe in weeks and things like that. So I would say I don't have such a strong analysis on SPY. For now, I just think that the stock may go lower, probably up to 773. All right, guys. So this is my market recap on those three. Um, I hope you find some value on those, and let me know on the comment. Well, what did you guys trade today? What did you see? Go ahead and comment below. Follow me on YouTube. This is Rabbit Trade. Hope I hope you find value in that. Okay. All right. Until next time.